What we have here is we have a multi-floor wealth management space. It's 20,000 square feet for second floor, 10,000 square feet third floor, just under 30,000 square feet total. This space is a new first generation build out within this building, and the purpose of the space was to consolidate other offices all into one office. It was critical for us to get them into this space on time because they were leaving other buildings and they didn't have the option to stay any longer than they were already there. So we had to meet their schedule.
With a project like this, where the complexity of scope is very high and the schedule is very tight, it's very important to get the proper project manager along with the superintendent that has experience in these type of build-outs to ensure that we can meet the client's needs as far as the quality of finishes as well as meeting their schedule. We started the project as a first-generation build-out, and there wasn't a permit in place, so we had to go ahead and get the project started and manage the permitting process and try to time it while waiting on the permit and also under construction.
We strive to develop those relationships with the building inspectors and the counties we work in just as well as we do with our clients. It goes a long way to help with the permitting process and with the inspections.
Part of my job is to make sure that we make that schedule a reality. Getting all the subs to do what they need to do in the timely manner, and to just push and make sure that everything's scheduled. Each sub is here. There's an order that it needs to go in. You have to start at one end and get a flow of work.
We had some other things that we had to juggle in order to make sure they could get it on time. But if we saw there was a problem coming up, we try and come up with a plan B.
So whenever you're working in a mid-rise building like this, one of the issues is getting materials up here because a lot of these smaller mid-rise buildings don't have freight elevators. So the way we took care of that was on each floor remove a couple of windows. While being safe, we were able to bring in the material that way.
The green movement right now is really big, and there is a push to maintain energy and limit waste. On the construction side, generally you have to have a contractor that has some experience with that because again, there's a lot of paperwork and methodologies you have to keep up with throughout the project to not mess up that certification in the end. We strive to be a service company. We strive to go above and beyond to provide that experience for them, so when they're all said and done, they have a fantastic looking project, but overall the experience was a pleasant one.